So yesterday on the conference session with the students, we had a question of what is it like, give us a look of camp life. Well, I can show you this, where Javier slept. This is where Ray and I slept. Williams made us a very nice fire last night. It was a very good surprise. And here's the breakfast table. And there's Ray getting ready for his day. He's gonna another long day today. How you feeling, Ray?
Good. I shaved.
Yeah, look very nice.
Gotta carry some treats with you.
So we're stuck. Javier's trying to figure out how to get us out. So you might be wondering, what is it like, life on the road or life on an expedition? Well, I can tell you it's slightly cramped, very dirty. So I'll give you an idea of how we're living. We're living out of, pretty much out of this vehicle. So let's take a look at what we've got. You can see in here we've got all of our computers charging. We got to communicate with everybody. We've got to do our blogs. We've got to edit the videos every night. Got our different bags in there. Then we'll come around to the back of the vehicle, and this is where the bulk of our stuff is. And generally what happens when you want something, it's going to be in the bag in the very back. Is what I'm finding is the case. So yeah, there's a little look at how we're living.